Hey y'all, so this is Matthew, and a few minutes ago I logged in to the main website at huntsvilleisd.org right here using staff login. Now, for those of us that are either based on the intermediate school, Mance Park Middle School, or the high school, then we have a separate login that we need to register. So if you look here, we've got Huntsville High School. I just tab down the page, Mance Park Middle School, and Huntsville Intermediate School. Now, because I'm based at Huntsville High School, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is going to take me to a separate page. It looks different, doesn't it, right? So, and also, if you want to confirm, you can see that up here. It says hhs.huntsville-isd.org. So I need to go ahead and log into this one, and I'm going to try that. So it was in the same place, and I'm just going to do the same thing, but I'm doing it at my home campus. Now, if you're at the if you're at any of the elementary schools or in administration or in any of those centrally located maintenance and operations, transportation, that kind of thing, then you won't need to do this. But for those of us that are at Mance Park, at the Huntsville Intermediate School, or the high school, we will. And again, we can talk about this other stuff later, but let's just get out of here because we want to finish this job up. We've done it. We're good to go. And I can go ahead and click out of this. And here is the Huntsville High School. And if I want to go back to the main website, I go right here. And I just clicked on that. Did you see what I did? All right. Thanks for watching.